today I'm going to show you how to make our Goose Blind famous white chicken chili at home if you can't have it here. The ingredients are diced onion, diced celery, and fresh jalapeno diced, fresh garlic, also ground cumin, dried oregano, cayenne pepper, and chicken base, sour cream, heavy cream, and then also roux. The ingredients with the amounts will be below. Now we're going to have Chef Mike start preparing your white chicken chili. He's going to start with olive oil, his diced celery and onion, fresh garlic, and jalapeno. He's going to saute that all till it gets translucent. Then he's going to add his seasonings and also boiling water. Then his chicken base, stirs in to dissolve. Then he brings it to a boil again and he adds his chicken. Then he will add his sour cream and his heavy cream. And once he's blended all that, he will bring it to a boil again. Once it's to a boil, you add in your roux, which is cooked flour with butter, equal parts, and you constantly stir it as you're thickening the soup. Dissolving all the parts so you do not have any lumps. The last ingredient added would be your white beans. And enjoy.